Thank you for purchasing our products. Please follow these short clips to troubleshoot your installation. Step 1. Power supply measurement. 1. Go to your circuit breaker panel. 2. Put your meter on the breaker. 3. Turn on the phase converter and see if the voltage drops. If the voltage dropped, then the power coming to your building is too weak. Contact your power supplier for resolution. Step 2. 1. Put your meter on T1 and T2. 2. Turn on the phase converter. 3. See if the voltage drops below 215. If it does, the wire is too small, too long, or you have a loose connection. Step 3. 1. Measure the voltage on L1 and L2, L2 and L3, L1 and L3. They should fall between 220 to 250 volts. Then, L1 and ground, L2 and ground, both falling at 120 volts, and then L3 and ground at approximately 200 volts. Step 4. 1. Remove the cover from the contractor. 2. Turn on the phase converter. 3. Check to see if the contractor is pulling in. If the contractor is not pulling in, check the indicated black wire for good connection. Step 5. 1. Check for blown-out capacitors. Inspect each capacitor and make sure the film is not punctured. Step 6. 1. Cut orange wire into 2 pieces and attach them to L1 and L2. 2. Attach the opposite ends to the back of the display module located on the cover panel. For any further questions, please visit www.phoenixphaseconverters.com. Thanks for watching our video.